Salibonani mahlabezulu, igama nguMichael Ngwenya. Siqede i-event kade silo Akon, silo Akon lo Jesse Holland, the author of Black Panther, movie kade sibukela. It was brilliant. And the event was just really good because we were bekhuluma business. Like for us Africans, Besilahlekile for a very long time. As we see, most of us we even deny that we're from Africa, but because Africa Africa is backward, but Africa is really still potential. So if only we can realize it, we have so much potential. If only we can realize it and unite. I like the part I take on why Singela like a little Africa town in every place, like states. So these are some of the things we should do. So yeah, I really enjoyed the event, and I think kumele sibambane, siyenze amabhizimusi here to support each other, and we'll go very far.